Go to a window. Contextual taskbar. Click to generate image. Write a prompt, generate your mockup. Click to generate button. Automatic generate your design. Select the 3 variations, follow the step. Again click to generate button. Again generate variations. Select 3 variations, then third one and select the second one. Click to convert to smart object. Press the Z button, then zoom in your subject. Select the quick selection tool. Make a t-shirt selection. Create a duplicate layer, press the J. Go to File, choose Place Embedded. Select the t-shirt pattern, then hit the Place button. Right to choose Create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode, multiply. Double-click to open blending option. Adjustment underlying. Press hold the Alt key. I will show you before and after result. Go to open the levels. First press the clipping mask button. Adjustment highlight, shadows and soft light. I will show you before and after result.